Hello, good morning, students. I welcome you all to the session of Performance and Compensation Management. So, today, students, after completing the whole syllabus, we are going to discuss some important questions of the chapter. But, students, હું recommend કરું છું કે પ્લીઝ તમે લોકો important questions સિવાય ટેક્સ્ટબુક્સના બધા જ concept revise કરજો. Right? Important questions are to focus on more. કે વધારે એના ઉપર ફોકસ કરો એ જરૂરી છે. But study all the important questions as well as all the whole syllabus of the performance and compensation management. So now we will start with unit number 1. What do you mean by performance management? Discuss the objectives of performance management. Define the term performance management and discuss the process of performance management in detail. Write a note on appraisal interview. What is performance planning? Explain. Distinguish between performance appraisal and performance management. Unit number 2. What do you understand by competency development? How would you build a competitive framework in your organization? Write a note on performance coaching. Critically evaluate computer-based performance monitoring and role of online appraisals or appraisals using various software. Explain ethical perspectives in performance appraisal. What do you understand by performance coaching, mentoring and counseling? Explain in detail. Write short notes on performance indicators and competency development. Unit number 3. Define job evaluation. Discuss different methods of job evaluation. Discuss in detail modern trends of compensation in detail. What is competency-based pay and what are the steps involved in designing a competency-based pay system? Write a short note on pay grades, wage survey and compensation benchmarking. What is wage survey and a wage policy? And what are the aspects of determining a wage policy? Unit number 4. Write a short note on retirement benefits and incentives for production worker. Question number 2. What is pay for performance? What are the various concepts of pay for performance and what are the factors considered while choosing pay for performance? And discuss the merits. What are supplementary benefits? Explain the administration of benefits program. Unit number 5. Write a short note on minimum wage, fair wage and living wage. Wage differentials, linking wages with productivity and wage boards. Question number 2. What are wage differentials? Discuss the reasons for wage differentials. Also explain the functions of wage boards. Define the concept of wage and discuss methods of state regulation of wages. Also explain the term national wage policy. Write short notes on dearness allowance, functions of wage board, productivity linked wage system, and wage differentials. So students, thank you. These are the important questions of the unit, right? We have completed with the whole syllabus. So students, I request you to refer all the video lectures very properly. બહુ જ સરસ રીતે વિડીયો લેક્ચર્સ રેફર કરજો કેમ કે વિડીયો લેક્ચર્સમાં બધા જ કન્સેપ્ટ સમજાવાયેલા છે ટેક્સ્ટ બુકના અને મેં તમને ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ પણ આમાં આપી દીધા છે. સો રેફર વેરી પ્રોપરલી, રાઈટ? હજી તમારી એક્ઝામ્સને વાર છે and we have completed the syllabus well in advance. So there is ample of time wherein you can refer the syllabus and refer the answers to make the maximum utilization of the time and refer the video lectures from now onwards only, right? And also study properly the important questions. Secondly, you all know the time management in the exams, right? PCM નું પેપર લેન્ધી હશે જ તો સરસ રીતે ટાઈમ મેનેજ કરજો, બરાબર છે? સરસ રીતે બધું લખજો, ફાઇન રીતે એકદમ, રાઈટ? એઝ પર ધ માર્ક્સ તમે લોકો લખજો. તમે ટીવાયમાં છો મીન્સ યુ નો everything now, but still time management સરસ કરજો and try to gain maximum marks in performance and compensation management. Okay students? Secondly, ઘણા બધા કોન્સેપ્ટ એવા હશે કે જે ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં નહીં હોય પણ મેં વિડીયો લેક્ચર્સમાં એડ કર્યા હશે, એક બે યુનિટમાં એવા છે તો મેં જે તે વિડીયો લેક્ચર્સમાં કીધેલું જ હશે અને રેડમાં હાઇલાઇટ કરેલું જ હશે કે આ કોન્સેપ્ટ કે આ મટીરિયલ હું તમને જાતે એડ કરું છું. યુનિટ 1 માં બી અમુક એવા લેક્ચર્સ છે અપ્રેઝલ ઇન્ટરવ્યુ ને બધા કે જે મેં જાતે એડ કરેલા છે. તો વિડીયો લેક્ચર્સ કમ્પલસરીલી જોજો, ખાલી જ ટેક્સ્ટ બુક રિફર કરતા નહીં એવું ન કરતા, ટેક્સ્ટ બુક રિફર કર્યા પછી વિડીયો લેક્ચર્સ પણ જોજો, રાઈટ? See the content properly and write the content properly. Okay students? So best of luck for your exams and for your future as well. I wish that you all gain maximum marks in the exams and pass out with good marks. So here we finally complete with the important questions and all the video lectures of the whole syllabus of performance and compensation management. Now it is your turn to prepare well. So take care. Thank you. Prepare well for your exams and best of luck students. Do well. Thank you so much.